Hey friends, my husband and I just moved into a new house and we're so excited, but it also gave us an awesome opportunity to look for some new furniture. On today's video, we're going to take a closer look at this coffee table made by GarveeHome. Okay, so here we have a two-tier table. It has a 17-inch wide platform on the bottom and a 30-inch wide platform on the top. So it's not huge, but it's a great amount of space to hold coffee cups, plates, decor, books. I would say it is an attractive piece. It's got this natural wood finish. Obviously it is not real wood, so this is not going to be your legacy piece, but it is a great addition to the home. That is a great conversation piece, as well as a gathering spot. My husband actually did the build out on this piece, so I'm going to pass it over to him and he's going to tell you a little bit more about the build out process.
So here's how the coffee table arrives in a box like this. It's not too thick and it's not too heavy, but they do want you to use a team lift. Okay, here's a quick look at all of the pieces. This is going to be the legs, the kind of the support sides here. We've got some hardware. We've got an instruction manual. This is going to be a throwback to kind of your Lego days. We also have the main table wood piece. This is going to be the lower level over here and the upper level. Now these, as you get close, you can tell it has this kind of veneer look to it. So if you get, again, close-up inspection, you can tell that this isn't, a solid piece of wood with the natural grain to it. But again, this actually feels really, really solid. This is a really heavy piece that's going to be going up top. And then again, we have the lighter piece on the bottom. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the main top of the table upside down. You can see it's labeled 1. We're then going to take all these legs. You can see they're labeled 3. And they go like this. This block end goes down, and then this is going to go up. And basically, we're just going to take 2 of these bolts that are included, and they're just going to punch down through the top here into these little holes here. Okay, all the legs on should look like this. Okay, next we're gonna put this little bottom piece on. Again, I have things flipped upside down right now. As you can see, this piece slides into place from the bottom, and then these little A bolts drill in from the top in this instance. Basically, these have to be manipulated a little bit over into the right slots, and then you can put the bolts down in and tighten them up. Okay, I've got all the legs drilled in up here now, and I hit our first snag and our first negative. Look down here. See how these bolts have kind of pulled up? And here's why this burst and pulled up. It's because when I was trying to manipulate these bolts and pull this in, this thing, again, just ripped up. So my suggestion when you're putting this together, keep all of these bolts loose until you manipulate things around, get everything in, and then drill down. Now, thankfully, this is on the bottom, so we're not gonna see it, but I'm really disappointed that that happened, again, during installation. Okay, our final step is to take these little feet here, and I'm just gonna screw these in on each of the legs, and this just provides a little bit of padding and support so that it doesn't touch the floor directly and scratch things. So from my perspective, construction, getting it put together is actually fairly easy. Most people can do this no problem. The materials that are used, that's the only problem I have with this thing. But you can see even with that break in the material, things are holding together just fine. It has enough legs to support it. So even though, again, I had that negative reaction, I'd say overall it has a decent construction. It's just the materials are not great.
Okay, again, this is the coffee table by GarveeHome. It's a 30-inch platform. We think it's a great buy for the budget price. If you're interested in getting this coffee table for yourself, you can find it right here on Amazon.